Hello everyone, welcome to the How To channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat service unavailable. Now you might be getting some error messages that says that Snapchat is unavailable. Now here is how you resolve it. Now the first thing you should do is to make sure your internet connection on your device is stable. Now sometimes our internet connection is bad or not properly connected, and you think there's something else that is the reason why your Snapchat is saying unavailable, but just because of your internet connection is not properly connected. Now you want to check the Wi-Fi and make sure that it's properly connected to your device. Now the second thing you want to do is to check if Snapchat has an update. Now you can do that by going to your Play Store or your App Store and then search for Snapchat and make sure you update it if yours has an update. But mine is updated, so I don't need to click on update. But if yours is not updated, it will notify you that it needs an update over here. Now guys, after doing this and it still does not rectify the error, what you need to do is to go to downtown detector and you want to check if Snapchat has a problem. Now if Snapchat is down over here, it has nothing to do with you, so you just have to wait it out, meaning internally Snapchat is having issues on their own. It has nothing to do what you've done wrong or not, so you just need to wait and then check probably after an hour or two, and Snapchat might have fixed their problem. Now I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the How To channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.